Amazon's BMVD category, which is books, media, video games, and DVDs, is the quickest path to profits and a great place to start for new sellers. Why? Low costs, high demand, and fewer restrictions. And ScoutIQ is the best tool out there to find profitable books fast. But here's the catch. As soon as you buy those books, you need to list, prep, and ship them to the buyer or Amazon. And let's be real. Amazon Seller Central's workflow seemed fine at first, but as your inventory grows, you realize just how inefficient they are. This is where a lot of sellers hit a wall. That's why Seller 365 bundles make so much sense. You keep ScoutIQ and add InventoryLab, so your books move from scan to shipment seamlessly. And from there, you'll get a suite of powerful tools to support every step of your seller journey. Seller 365 is tailored to your business needs as an Amazon seller, but as a book flipper, a great path is to start with BMD using ScoutIQ, list, prep, and ship with InventoryLab, and keep your pricing competitive with SmartRepricer. If you love mobile sourcing but want to go beyond BMVD, you can move into retail sourcing with Scoutify. And if you're ready to make the leap to online arbitrage and wholesale, Tactical Arbitrage and ScoutX are there waiting. The bundle grows with you, without stacking subscriptions. Seller 365 is one subscription with one bill. And as soon as you're shipping inventory, you'll want visibility into profits. With InventoryLab's accounting and FeedbackWhiz profits, you'll see your sales, fees, and margins without juggling spreadsheets. Oh, and once your inventory is live, reputation matters. FeedbackWhiz emails automates review requests, and FeedbackWhiz alerts monitors listings, protects your account so you can focus on growth. Let's talk value. ScoutIQ standalone is $14 or $44 a month. Seller 365, $69 for 10 apps. Even if you only use ScoutIQ and SmartRepricer, you're already saving money. And you're never left to figure it out alone. Seller 365 comes with coaching, courses, tutorials, and support every step of the way. BMVD is one of the smartest, most affordable ways to start on Amazon, and ScoutIQ is the best tool for it. But if you're ready to grow beyond books, Seller 365 gives you every tool you need to list, ship, reprice, and protect your business, all under one subscription. Ready to upgrade?